The convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, with smart eyewear like smart glasses and contact lenses is a fascinating development in the realm of technology. This combination is not just about enhancing vision but augmenting our daily life with intelligent, context-aware information right before our eyes. Understanding AI in the context of smart eyewear. AI, in its essence, is about creating machines or systems capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and understanding natural language. When AI is integrated into smart eyewear, these glasses or lenses can see and understand the world in ways similar to humans, but with the added capability of providing real-time information and insights. Smart glasses and smart contact lenses. Smart glasses and contact lenses are wearable technologies that incorporate miniature computers. They are capable of displaying information, capturing photos, recording videos, and even more advanced functions like augmented reality (AR), where digital information is overlaid onto the real world. With AI, these devices can process what they see and provide contextual information to the wearer. Opportunities. Enhanced information access. Imagine walking down a street, looking at a restaurant, and instantly seeing reviews and menu suggestions right in your field of vision, tailored to your preferences by AI. Assistance for the visually impaired. AI-powered smart eyewear could provide real-time descriptions of surroundings, read out text, or even identify faces, significantly aiding those with visual impairments. Health monitoring. These devices could monitor health indicators like blink rate or changes in pupil size, offering insights into the wearer's well-being. Augmented reality experiences. From interactive gaming to immersive educational experiences, the integration of AI can make them more responsive and engaging. Concerns. Privacy issues. The ability of these devices to record and analyze their surroundings raises significant privacy concerns. There's a risk of unauthorized surveillance or data collection. Data security. The sensitive data captured and processed by these devices need to be securely stored and handled, making them a potential target for cyberattacks. User safety and distraction. The constant flow of information could be distracting, potentially posing safety risks, especially while navigating traffic or operating machinery. Social and ethical implications. There's a risk of creating a divide between those who have access to this advanced technology and those who do not. Pop culture references. Minority Report. The futuristic AR interfaces seen in Minority Report closely resemble what AI-powered smart glasses could offer, interacting with digital data overlaid on the physical world. Black Mirror. Episodes from this show often explore the societal impact of advanced technologies, including smart eyewear, highlighting both the transformative potential and the darker side of such advancements. Real-world implications. In practice, we are already seeing early versions of this technology. For example, Google Glass and other AR glasses offer a glimpse into how AI integration can enhance user experience. In the future, we could see applications like real-time translation of foreign languages directly in our line of sight, hands-free navigation assistance, or interactive educational content that makes learning more engaging and dynamic. In healthcare, AI-integrated smart eyewear could assist surgeons with real-time information during procedures or help medical students in training with anatomical visualizations. Conclusion. The integration of AI with smart glasses and contact lenses opens up a world of possibilities, from enhancing how we interact with our environment to offering unprecedented access to information and digital experiences. While the potential is immense, it is crucial to approach this technological convergence with a mindful understanding of the privacy, security, and ethical implications it carries. Balancing innovation with responsible usage will be key to harnessing the benefits of AI-powered smart eyewear while safeguarding against its risks.